Hey, what's up, tribe? This is Adam with Warrior Tribe Tactical. So, I just recently did a video on the Springfield Saint Edge pistol, AR pistol, and I was out at the range, set up, put it out at 200. Well, they already have the 200-yard steel set up, but I forgot to hit record. So I'm out here in this blazing hot North Carolina heat, and I'm gonna do a shoot for you, show you that just for a part two. Show you that AR pistol from Springfield, the Saint Edge, can reach out and touch. So I don't know if you can see down there. Wait, which way does my hand have to go? So in this corner, right there, where my finger's going, there's a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and a 6-inch steel plates. So I'm gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna get set up and show you guys that this can reach out. So okay guys, I'm set up. I'm gonna be shooting down there at that those 200-meter steel plate targets. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see those steel plates getting hit, so just keep your ears open. All right, so I'll be shooting from right here. I'll try to keep this camera angle. Hopefully you can see the gun and my goofy head, and then you know, show you that this thing can reach out to 200 meters. All right, let's get started. Whew. So, alright guys, so as you can see, the Springfield Saint Edge AR pistol, good out 200 meters. That steel was getting hit. So thanks guys for watching. Remember, we provide purpose, direction, and motivation, and when we say we're going to come back and give you the answer, we do. Alright, thanks guys.